Welcome to this new issue of Radio IQ, live from Pachukistan. Your hosts this evening are Lionel, a doctor of nuclear physics, Karime, a researcher at NASA, and I, Diego, a professor at MIT.
Excuse me, guys. What do you know about strong nuclear, weak nuclear, gravitational, and electromagnetic?
The strong nuclear force is the one that holds together the protons in the nucleus, despite the force of electrical repulsion. The nuclear force is 100 times stronger than the force electromagnetically thanks to her nucleons. Protons and neutrons stay united.
The weak nuclear energy is basically inside atoms, where it is used to convert the initial neutrons into protons.
In Newtonian mechanics, the gravitational potential at a point in a gravitatory field is a scalar quantity defined as the work per unit mass that a force should take to carry a body at constant speed.
Electromagnetic energy is the amount of energy stored in a region of space that can be attributed to the presence of electromagnetic field and is expressed in terms of the intensities of the magnetic field and electric field.
Can you give me a brief explanation of some types of energy?
Solar thermal energy is used to produce hot water for sanitary use and low temperature heating. Photovoltaic solar energy is produced by semiconductor plates that are alternated by solar radiation.
Wind energy is a renewable energy source that uses the wind to generate electricity. The primary means to obtain it are the turbines, windmills.
Hydropower is one that is obtained from the use of kinetic and potential energy of the water stream, waterfalls, or tides.
Nuclear energy is the energy in the core of an atom. Coal-fired power energy generating power stations that operate using coal as fuel material to generate steam and electric power turned by turbo generators. The mechanical energy can be defined as the ability to produce mechanical work that has a body due to mechanical causes such as their position or speed. Potential energy is one of the most powerful magnitudes of physics, among other things because to visualize the dynamics of bodies subject to conservative forces. The gravitational potential energy is the potential energy that depends on the gravitational force associated with height. This will depend on the height of an object relative to a reference point, mass, and gravity. The energy stored in the spring stretched or compressed or another elastic material is called elastic potential energy.
The kinetic energy of a body is the energy that possesses due to its motion. It is defined as the need to accelerate a body of a given mass from rest to the speed indicated work. Well, I think it's moment to answer the most asked question in this broadcast. The question is, how does the energy interact with us every day? Well, I would start answering this question by saying that nothing could exist without energy. You see, energy is what makes things happen. Every time something moves, it's because energy. Every time something gets warmer, it's because energy. Every time something makes noise, it's energy. And well, with that said, we could tell that we use energy, but for everything. We use energy to walk, to run, to talk, to think, for everything, even for resting. There are different kinds of energy. We have electrical energy, we have motion energy, we have thermal energy, we have sound energy, we have chemical energy, and light energy, basically. In a daily basis, we use all of these. For example, we use electrical energy for all sort of things. We use for the TV, we use it for our computers, our cell phones, the blender, the toaster. It is one of the basic forms of energy. Then we have the motion energy, and well, moving things have energy. The faster something is moving, the more energy it has. You see, when we walk, when a car moves, when anything basically moves, we can see what is the motion energy. About the sound energy, for example, all sounds are a form of energy, no matter how they are made. Let's say one person talking, the bark of a dog, the beep of a car horn, music from a radio or anything basically is energy. It moves through waves in the air, and that's it. For thermal energy, for example, every time we are gonna take a shower, we try to make the hot water to fall so we can do it comfortably. And that is a way of losing energy because when the hot water collides with the cold floor, it's a reaction where the energy moves with the heat. Other example of energy in a daily basis is the light energy. We got the main part of the light energy from the sun, but we also have energy that doesn't come from natural sources, like a bulb and a screen, and it's many kinds. But the main source for light energy is the sun. Then, last but not least, we have chemical energy. We got all our energy from the food we eat, and it is called chemical energy. We use this energy to grow, to move, to complete all process like digestion, the breathing. We use all sorts of chemical energy, and well, the plants use the chlorophyll for creating chemical energy, but every living species has its own way to make their chemical energy. And that's it. On a daily basis, we use at least 6 forms of energy.
Transformation of the energy. Energy is constantly changing, passing from one form to another. Energy always happens most useful ways, less useful forms. For example, a volcano, in the internal energy of the molten rock, can be transformed into thermal energy, producing lots of heat. Stones thrown into the air and lava have moving mechanical energy, combustion of many materials, and releasing chemical energy. Thanks for listening, people. Just turn tomorrow at 12 o'clock p.m. Great day to people who listen to us.
I feel so